What's up everybody, Fritz here, coming back at you from SVBimmer. Are you looking for all of the benefits of a lowered car without all the cons of a lowered car? Well, we have the answer right here for you today in the form of the KW V3s with the Cup Kit. Let's get into the video.
This is not your everyday V3. This kit features the linear springs from the KW Club Sport in order to deliver a more predictable and stiffer steering experience. To ensure no error codes are thrown, we will be installing the EDC delete modules as well. The Stanceparts Cup Kit is universal and settles right in between the top of the coilover and top hat. Typically, customers only apply cup kits to the front, but if you wish, they can also be fitted to the rears. For the most part, the install is just like installing the V3s or Club Sports, with the addition of the cup kit on top. To see those videos, hit the link in the top right hand corner. Now you might be wondering, how does this all work? Think of the cup kits as air cylinders, and by placing them on top of the coilovers, they will lift your car 50 millimeters with the flip of a switch, giving you all the handling and aerodynamic benefits of a lowered car with the ability to clear those steep curbs and speed bumps. Now once the coilovers are fully assembled with the cup kit, we'll place them back in as normal and torque everything down. Once the suspension has settled in, you can expect a 0.4 to 1.5 inch drop in the front and a 0.8 to 2 inch drop in the rear. Now it's time for the fancy stuff. This is a M6, so we gotta go James Bond style with a covert button, sleek wiring, and tankless design. The airline will run down from the trunk and in between the underpanel until it meets with the cup kit. As for the wiring, it will run from the trunk in between the crevices of the rear seats, tucked away under the carpet, and into the center console where the switch will be hidden. This small compressor is what we will be using in lieu of a tank, and will be able to power up the cup kit while taking up minimal trunk space. Now you have the best aspects of the V3s, the Club Sports, and Cup Kit in your BMW.
And just like that, we're all done installing the KW V3s with the Cup Kit on your BMW, with the ability to clear any speed bump or driveway. And all the benefits of a lowered ride height. So if you're looking to pick up your own set of KW V3s with the Cup Kit, it's gonna be down in the description links. And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos, and leave any questions that you have down in the comment section. And we'll see all of you in the next one.